Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking holiday, Soleil. We're talking Tom Ford, and I have two new products here that are gorgeous. They are so beautiful. First, let's talk about what I have on my eyes right now. It's this beauty right here called the First Frost number 4, and it is a wet dry formula. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the swatches. I am of course going to give you guys this look and how I created it as well as comparisons, but you know, we got to go through the swatches and details first. The palette is $88 and the description reads that it's an eye color quad that creates smoldering eyes touched with an alluring alpenglow effect with pink toned neutrals and burnished metallics. The 4 complementing shades achieve multiple looks from a bold smoky eye to a subtle glowing look and everything in between. Formulated with advanced color processes, this luxurious shimmer finish offers a spectrum of intensity and effects that deliver incredible color and outstanding adhesion. If you're curious about palette comparisons, make sure that you stay tuned all the way to the very end after I say bye, because that is where I'm going to put up all of the palettes that I feel like could be comparable. I have just a few palettes here that I need to go through and do some side-by-side swatches. No, I'm not going to be swatching every single one of those, but I'm going to be swatching anything that could be perceived as similar so you guys can see if this is something that you want to pick up if you're a huge Tom Ford collector like myself. All right, let's talk about this right here, the Balm Frost. Oh my gosh, let me just insert this clip because I had to take a video. I mean, I was not going to be able to capture the beauty of this in just a picture, in just a swatch, or anything like that. It is gorgeous. The glitter on the outside of this balm is all these different shades. Like, it has green and gold and peach and silver. It's just, you got to see this in person. It is stunning. If you're not a fan of glitter on your lipsticks, need not worry. It does not go all the way through, at least not with the bigger particles. This is just for pretty display. And when you pull it out and roll it up, it's just like, it's really, really gorgeous. There is a little bit of like really tiny micro shimmers inside the actual balm, but nothing like this. And you're gonna see whenever I swatch it first how much glitter is on my lips and then versus like now. The Balm Frost retails for $56 and the description reads that it's a nourishment of moisturizing balm with a veil of shimmering iridescence. Created to lavish weather-stung winter lips with soothing hydration. Balm Frost is a sumptuous apply all-day pearlescent balm that mimics the look of bright sun glittering on crystalline snow. That is the best description. That really is what this looks like. It is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. All right, let's get into the demos and then I will give you guys my 2 cents. Tom Ford number 13. I'm going to go in first with the 3rd shade in the palette. Starting on the outer corner of the eye, blending upward and into the crease. I'm using the Makeup by Mario Eye Prep and Set palette. So that is what I have for primer today. I really like this shade in of itself. This is a really pretty color. I could put this all over like I am and then put it on the lid. Do a little brow bone highlight and call it a day. Tom Ford number 11. Now I'm grabbing the 2nd shade. I'm going to apply this all over the lid. Now this is a wet dry formula, so you can use it wet or dry. I'm just using it dry because I like to. What's new? Now I'm going to go in with the last shade in the palette on a rougher number 14. I am going to deepen up this outer corner. I'll be bringing it into the crease and smoking it upward. BK Beauty 206, first shade in the palette, highlighting the brow arch. Bristles Beauty pencil brush, and I'm going to go back in with the very last shade in the palette. This time I'm using it wet and I'm dragging it along the lower lash line. Lastly, rougher number 21 in the first shade. I'm applying this to the front portion of the lid and the inner corner. Tapping over the pink just a little bit, and then I'm going to go add liner and mascara. Now I'm going in with the Balm Frost, and this thing is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can truly see all the glitter that is on here. It's so pretty. But the good thing is that it doesn't go all the way through, because I don't particularly like to have glittery lips, but I love the way that it looks on the bullet. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. So this definitely has the glitter in it. But now if you see, like the chunkier glitter that's on the outside is now, like, it's not on the tip. So can you see the difference between the top lip and the bottom? When you first get it, it's going to be a little glittery, but if you don't want to even have this happen, just wipe it before you put it on, and the top is what it is going to look like. This is so pretty. I'm going to go add liner and then put this on top of that. I wiped off the balm and then I went in with Wayne Goss's lip liner in Vintage Pink. Now I'm going to put the balm on again. Let me start off with this Balm Frost. It is thebalm.com. I couldn't resist. I'm sorry. This is so stinking pretty. I honestly was not going to pick this up initially just because I thought it was going to be this much glitter all the way through. And I don't mind to have a little bit of glitter on my lips or like a little bit of sheen. I like it in glosses, but a lot of times in balms, if it looks too metallic or too sparkly, I'm not a big fan. But then I found out that it wasn't this glittery all the way through. It's just really pretty. And then I fell in love, and I'm even more in love now that I have it in my hands. This is not only so pleasing to look at, like I need another one. I'm buying another one. It's done and done. I'm getting another one because it's so stinking pretty. And this gold packaging, I live for this. This is luxury through and through, and it's beautiful and it feels really good on the lips. So yeah, I'm picking up another one. I want to have another one of these. The First Frost palette. This is beautiful. Again, it's a wet and dry formula. You can use it wet, you can use it dry. It's going to be far more intense if you use it wet. This pink shade right here is beautiful. This is something that I would like to use wet and just use one other shade. So I would probably take this one. I think I'll put this one all over the lid, all into the crease, and then only apply it wet to the lid. So it would be smoked out everywhere, but more intense on the lid. And then add some depth with this shade here. Formula and performance-wise, if you are familiar with the wet-dry formula, this does hold true to that standard. So it's very, very, very good in terms of quality, pigmentation, and all of that. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, this very quick video. Again, if you would like to see my comparisons, just stay tuned after I say bye-bye. And yeah, I'm about to do that right now. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.